9 minus 3 gives us 6 times 4 divide 8. Now 6 times 4 gives us 24 divide 8. Finally 24 divide 8 gives us 3, but this answer is not correct. Because according to order of operation, first we do parenthesis, then exponent, then multiplication or division, then addition or subtraction. Remember that in multiplication and division have equal priority and we work from left to right. Same applies addition and subtraction. So in this expression, here is subtraction, multiplication and division. So first we do multiplication, then division and finally subtraction. 9 minus, here now is multiplication, so first we multiplication because left to right. So 3 times 4 gives us 12 divide 8. Now here 9 minus 12 divide 8 because after multiplication we do division. So 9 minus 8 divide 12, 12 upon 8. Now 8 cancel to each other, 2, and here is 3 in 4 table. So 9 minus 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 minus 9 upon 1. This is also denominator. So first we take LCM, and LCM is 2. So 2 is common, and now here 18 minus 3. So gives us 15 upon 2. This is a right answer.